Hello everyone, we are fifth quarter students from the Universidad Politécnica de Yucatán, and we are carrying a device that we help with the aquaculture. But first, what is aquaculture? This consists of the cultivation and production of aquatic organisms, and we are dealing with this situation because the human population has been rising at a huge speed, and this creates a more demand for food, and we need food. So in order to achieve this, the government has created some farms that will help with the production of aquatic organisms. However, the conditions were not appropriate and they're not the correct ones. So one of the farms has closed and the other one is in process to be shut down. And we want to create a project that will help these farms to start again by controlling the quality of the food, the amount, and whatever is needed to have a proper farm and and having a good production of aquatic organisms. And now this task is not simple; requires a lot of supervision, intervention, and a lot of quality standards to have a good production. However, we are sure we can achieve this, and with this project, we are going to apply the technology that we have learned and help the state. Held the Yucatan.
In the case of materials, for this project, we have chosen to use aluminum or stainless steel for the rails, as we consider that they are resistant materials, which are unlikely to be oxidized over time. Likewise, we will use color sensor and embedded pH circuit, which will help us with the collection and analysis of data. As for the materials of the structure, we will use some geared motors and servo motors.
Results. These devices will be adapted according to the needs of the species. It will be in the chart on the measure and the parameters and reduce the human participation by 24 hours. The search of the other marine species on the farm will be automatic to a certain point. Everything they mentioned about can mean the more efficiency and less loss.
This project will be useful for future work related to the topic. It will also be useful for people who are doing their thesis and experiment at the UNAM facilities in CISAL, because it will facilitate their work since this machine will be feeding the organisms and will be showing updated information on water quality.
Conclusion and discussion. We could see in our visit to the UNAM CISAL, we are faced with a different challenge, not only in the materials and structural part to make it more friendly for the final consumer, but also in the development of the application, since depending on the organisms to be cared for. The device and material, the structure, programming, and function would change, adapting or making it personalized for each organism. Since each organism reacts differently, so we can generate stress and cause more repercussion than benefits.